The Goodbudget Premium plan is designed to take the friction out of digital envelope budgeting by automating your tracking and removing account restrictions. At the core of the premium tier is automatic bank syncing for US-based accounts. Instead of manually typing every purchase or uploading files, your transactions, including pending transactions, are imported directly into your budget so you can see your balances and recent spending on the go. Beyond automation, Premium completely removes the limits found on the free version. Subscribers get unlimited regular envelopes, unlimited annual or goal envelopes, and unlimited financial accounts. This makes it ideal for tracking multiple checking accounts, savings, and credit cards all in one place. Sharing is also expanded on this tier. You can sync and share your household budget across up to 5 mobile devices, allowing partners or family members to stay completely aligned on spending in real time. Additionally, Premium members receive extended data retention with 7 years of transaction history, priority email support, and full access to advanced tracking tools for managing household debt. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.